Which of the following is a greenhouse gas? Answer: carbon dioxide. What is the chemical symbol for gold? Answer: AU. What is the SI unit for measuring electric current? Answer: ampere. Which of the following is a non-renewable energy source? Answer: natural gas. Which of the following is a strong acid? Answer: sulfuric acid. What is the chemical formula for methane? Answer: CH4. Which of the following elements is a metal? Answer: iron.
Thank you for watching this video. Please do subscribe the channel for more related content. See you all in the next video.